As we step into 2025, the future is brighter than ever. This year promises groundbreaking technologies, sustainable solutions, and cultural transformations. Imagine sleek, silver vehicles navigating themselves through bustling megacities, powered by the sun. Imagine a world where the boundaries of science fiction blur with reality. Get ready to explore a year full of progress, inspiration, and endless opportunities. 2025 is a landmark year for technology, where our wildest imaginations take form. Artificial intelligence is becoming more intuitive, enhancing industries from healthcare to transportation. Quantum computing is revolutionizing data processing, solving complex problems at unimaginable speeds. Smart cities, interconnected and pulsing with digital life, are reshaping how we live, work, and travel. Robotics and automation are introducing efficiencies never seen before. We're on the cusp of a new era of technological advancement. In 2025, the fight against climate change is a global movement fueled by innovation. Cities are switching to renewable power sources, breaking free from fossil fuels. Shimmering solar panels and towering offshore wind farms are converting natural forces into clean electricity. Vertical gardens are transforming urban landscapes, while reforestation programs restore Earth's lungs. Wildlife conservation efforts are restoring endangered species populations. Sustainable agriculture practices are ensuring food security while minimizing waste and pollution. 2025 marks a pivotal year in space exploration. Human missions to the moon are a stepping stone to establishing a permanent lunar base. Robotic rovers on Mars are bringing us closer to understanding life beyond Earth. Commercial space travel is now a reality, allowing everyday citizens to experience space. Advances in satellite technology are revolutionizing communication and disaster management. Space technology is improving life on Earth in unprecedented ways. In 2025, we're experiencing a profound evolution of our cultures and societies. Festivals and cultural events unite people globally, fostering understanding and empathy. Art installations are transforming urban landscapes into open-air galleries. Virtual reality allows people to explore different cultures and historical figures from home. Social movements continue to break down barriers, building a more compassionate world. In 2025, healthcare is undergoing a profound transformation. AI-powered diagnostics enable early disease detection, leading to more effective treatments. Personalized medicine provides treatments tailored to individual genetics. Wellness trends, including mental health awareness and mindfulness, are flourishing. Wearable health tech, like smartwatches, empowers individuals to take control of their health. Monitoring fitness and well-being has never been easier. As we've journeyed through the advancements of 2025, one thing is clear: the future is brimming with possibilities. Imagine futuristic cities powered by clean energy against a backdrop of lush greenery. Imagine a world where diversity is celebrated and people come together to share ideas. With innovation, sustainability, and unity driving progress, 2025 is a leap into a promising future. Subscribe for updates on the latest breakthroughs and exciting developments in 2025.